What if you could turn the story in your head into a professional comic book? Even if you've never drawn a single panel. Inside NeuraSoft Labs, we've been quietly building something revolutionary. EmpireCreatorAI, where your imagination becomes the artwork. From story workshop to AI-powered page generation. From style cloning that learns your artistic vision to a full marketplace where your creations find their audience. Whether you're a storyteller who can't draw or a professional artist ready to 10x your output, this is your studio. Right now, our testers are bringing their stories to life. And soon, we're reopening the waitlist. NeurasSoft Labs, where creators become empires.